Today we're going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the all-new Scout 261 XSS. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. This is a all-new model by Scout. A lot of cool, exciting features we'll take you through. To start with the basics, the boat's colored with the shark gray hull side gel coat. We do have the upgraded Mercury 400 P10 on the back. The boat absolutely flies with this power package, and then we do have a jack plate as well for your shallow water running and fishing. Let's hop on board and do a quick walkthrough. Starting here on the aft area of the boat, Scout did a great job of creating a nice casting platform, but very, very quickly this area transforms to a nice cruising layout as well. So we have bench seating all the way across from port to stern. Integrated live well here along the leaning post, and then storage underneath. As we move up to the helm, this boat is completely loaded with electronics, dual Garmin touchscreen displays, inductive charging. We do have the zip weight tabs and a fully integrated windshield. The nice thing Scout did on this windshield is it's completely integrated carbon epoxy structure, very, very strong, but also sleek looking. And then as we move forward to the bow, we have bow cushions that can be installed up in this area with backrests. For those fishing days, you can simply pull them off, and you have a nice casting platform. For your cruising, we have a nice lounger with armrest on both sides. So that's a quick walkthrough of this 2025 261 Scout. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Feel free to give us a call at 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.